In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow reshare on WhatsApp. This setting controls whether people who can already see your WhatsApp status are allowed to share it onward. So turning it on makes it easier for your updates to be passed along while still respecting your existing privacy choices. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. We're heading straight into the app settings. If you are on Android, look to the top right of the main screen and tap the three dots to open the menu. Then choose Settings. If you are on iPhone, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to enter settings. The location is slightly different between Android and iPhone, but both take you to the same place. Inside Settings, tap Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps all your controls related to who can see your information and how your content can be used. Next, find and select Status. The Status section manages who sees your stories and how they can interact with them. Here, look for the option labeled Allow Sharing or Allow Status Sharing. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your app version, but it will be clearly tied to sharing your status. Toggle this option to On. When this switch is enabled, viewers who already have permission to see your status can share it forward. It doesn't suddenly make your status public. It simply allows the people within your chosen audience to reshare it. Your status visibility, such as My Contacts, Accept, or Only Share with, still applies and continues to control who can see your updates in the first place. If you collaborate with teammates, make announcements, or post updates you want others to circulate quickly, turning this on is especially helpful. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and toggle it off at any time. Keep in mind that if you don't see the Allow Sharing option, you may be on an older app version or in a region where the feature is rolling out gradually. Updating WhatsApp often brings the latest settings, labels, and features into view. Before you exit, take a moment to confirm the toggle shows on. And consider reviewing your status privacy choices right above or below that setting to ensure your audience matches your intent. That small check helps you keep the right balance between reach and control. That's it. Thanks for watching.